Today, we're adding a little twist to our usual blackberry jam by incorporating black raspberries into the mix. A perfect addition to your toasts, yogurt bowls, or even for drizzling over ice cream. This recipe is quick and simple, so let's get right into it. Start by crushing 10 cups of berries into a large bowl until no large pieces are visible. Mix in 7 cups of sugar and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup and let stand for 10 minutes. Mix 3/4 of a cup of water with a pack of Certo Pectin Crystals in a large saucepan and bring to a boil. Keep stirring for 1 minute and remove from heat. Add to the berry mixture and mix for about 4 minutes or until the sugar has dissolved. Transfer to clean jars, leaving about 1/2 inch of space at the top. Cover with lids and let stand at room temperature for 24 hours. Once set, you can now refrigerate or freeze your jam until you're ready to use it. This jam is a perfect breakfast or dessert addition and also makes for a great gift for family and friends. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy, delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and happy jam making!